Hi guys, welcome to our 3-day 2-night adventure to the McGrew Trail. This was such a fun adventure organized by Offroad Portal and mainly by Adam with a bunch of help from a bunch of people from the organization. So it was about 25 rigs total. Some were pulling trailers like Scott, some were having the tent on the roof. I carry my own tent inside. I was with my daughter, so it was a lot of fun. A lot of different levels of experience doing the trail. So we divided in 3 groups the trail, and in the morning. So we're sharing some breakfast with Rudy here. Prepare. What is it, Rudy?
This is carne con papas and salsa verde. Muy bueno.
Yep.
And has been made by Healthy Chingonerias.
Nice.
Follow it.
Yeah.
Instagram page, Healthy Chingonerias.
Good.
They cook. I'm the lucky one.
So early in the morning, about 8 a.m., we pulled together toward the entrance to the McGrew Trail. This is a special trail that opens only to limited amount of people. You need to have a special permit. Adam worked all the details with Gary, who's talking right there. And he got the permit. Gary was one of the guides. It was really well organized. You can see all the rigs that we had. The trail itself is a lot of fun. It's, I would say, not too hard. You have to be careful. Sometimes you are really narrow in between trees and you have some level of rocks and stuff. But it was great. There were obstacles and challenges for pretty much everybody, and anybody that wants to, do some extreme rock crawling had the opportunity to do it.
Right there. Just go forward. Come up on the rock. This side is looking
The place is actually unbelievable. It has really an amazing landscape, and it's very private, so you don't come across anybody. I mean, it was just our group the whole time. Here's Adam going over, I think it's the waterfall. It's called this part of the trail. This was fun. Becca was the first time that she was off-roading. She just got that 4Runner.
Yeah.
Becca's is Adam's wife. So she had a blast, and we all enjoyed having her doing her first off-road experiences with us. This is some of the contributed video that we had. Because it was recorded kind of like portrait, I put it all together this way. I appreciate everybody that pitch in with the videos and stuff. One thing that was really cool about the McGrew Trail is that every single obstacle, like this one here, had different ways to take it and also an escape route. So if you didn't feel comfortable doing some of these, you could just go around it. So for some people it was a good option if they didn't have enough experience. In our group, pretty much everybody went through the obstacles, either from the harder part or the easier part, but everybody did it. And we had a great spotter, Gary, right there, that was helping us throughout. We're about 2 miles from the place where we stopped to have lunch. So after these, we spent about 40 minutes and we got all 3 groups together. Again, you'll see it in a second. And we had lunch and then we started the second part of the McGrew Trail. almost toward the end of the McGrew Trail. This is, I believe, the Big Deuce, they call it. Could be wrong. And then after this, you take another road that descends and starts going into this part, which is the final section, and you are out of the McGrew Trail. Then we follow each other all the way down to the river where we camp for the night. This is the North Fork Smith River. It's actually where the river starts. This is pretty much a mile or two from California. So we're almost crossing to California at the end of this trail. And it was perfect. We actually went there with my daughter and a bunch of other people, and we were swimming on this river. It was a great way to finish the day after all the hot temperatures of the trail. And the following day, we just basically pack up and start coming back home. We're looking forward to do this next year. We think that we're gonna organize another one, or probably a series of these runs to the McGrew Trail if we can. Thank you to all the sponsors too that help us make this possible. Without them, we wouldn't be able to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. And if you live in Oregon, maybe next year you can join us. See you guys.